Salut à tous, bienvenue au français avec Poonam. Hello everyone, welcome to French with Poonam. So today we'll be doing some of the French words that has the sound of C and H. So C in French is called C and H is called H. So together C H produces the sound sh, not sir, sh. So we'll be doing some of the words with this sound sh. The first one is sha, which means a cat, sha. Second word is chien, that's a dog. Third, chou, cabbage. Fourth word, chapeau, a hat. Fifth, chateau, palace. Sixth, chaise, chair. Seventh, cheval, horse. Eighth, chameau, camel. Chimney, a fireplace. 10th word, chaud, which means hot. 11th word, chaussette, which means socks, chaussette. 12th, chemise, which is your shirt, chemise. 13th, chenille, caterpillar. 14th, tranche, slice. 15th, bouche, mouth. 16th, écharpe, which is scarf. 17th, cochon, which is a pig. 18th, chocolat, chocolate. 19th, vache, cow. And the last word, chambre, room. Let us quickly revise these 20 words. Chat, chien, chou, chapeau, château, chaise, cheval, chameau, chimney, chaud, chaussette, chemise, chenille, tranche, bouche, écharpe, cochon, chocolat, vache et chambre. Merci beaucoup. See you in the next video.